Dear students, a very hearty welcome to all of you to EPG Pathshala. Myself, Professor Sampath Kumar Swai, teaching at the Department of Tourism Management as a professor in Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh. Today, I am going to give a presentation on a topic, namely United Nations World Tourism Organizations. After completing this module, students should be able to know what UNWTO is, understand aims and objectives and functions of UNWTO, know different UNWTO regions worldwide, know its members, understand the role of UNWTO in world tourism. Introduction. The United Nations World Tourism Organization (UNWTO) is a specialized agency under the aegis of United Nations organizations. Was formed in the year 1975. Its headquarters is located in Madrid, Spain. The agency is responsible for the promotion of responsible, sustainable and universally accessible tourism. It has 157 countries as its members and jurisdiction, 6 territories and over 500 affiliate members across the world, including the private sector, educational institutions, tourism associations and local authorities. Origin and history. The history of UNWTO dates back to the year 1920, when the International Congress of Official Tourist Traffic Association (ICOTT) was established at The Hague, the Netherlands. The origin can also be linked to International Union of Official Tourist Publicity Organizations (IUOTPO), although the UNWTO states that the ICOTT became the International Union of Official Tourist Publicity Organizations first in 1934. After the brief discontinuity during the Second World War, an international conference was held in London that gave birth to the International Union of Official Travel Organization (IUOTO) in the year 1947, and IUOTO was finally transformed into an intergovernmental organization called World Tourism Organizations on January 2, 1975. The headquarters was established in Madrid, Spain in January 1976. The resolution for setting up the headquarters was already taken in the first General Assembly of the WTO. The UN General Assembly decided to add UN before the World Tourism Organization in order to differentiate between World Trade Organization and World Tourism Organizations. Finally, the organization was renamed as UNWTO on December 1, 2005. The UNWTO is an apex body in the field of tourism and it works with different governments on matters relating to tourism policy issues on a global basis. It provides a practical source of tourism knowledge and statistics for planners, researchers and academics alike. As a leading international organization, it works for promoting tourism as a driver of economic growth, while it offers leadership and support to the tourism sector in advancing knowledge and tourism policies worldwide. It promotes sustainable development and environmental sustainability. This apex body promotes this sustainability in tourism operations through enforcing the Global Code of Ethics for Tourism. Through its interventions and promotions, the UNWTO aims to maximize the benefits of tourism to the society and economy of nations, while minimizing the negative impacts of it. Aims and objectives of UNWTO. Through intergovernmental initiatives, the organization aims at the following: promotion and development of sustainable tourism that can contribute to the economy of countries, development of international understanding to bring peace and prosperity, development of universal respect for tourism, working towards protection of basic freedom and human rights of citizens without any discrimination based on region, religion, language, race or sex. Functions of UNWTO: to accomplish The objectives: the UNWTO functions in the following 6 main broad areas: improving competitiveness in tourism industry, promoting sustainable development, promoting tourism for poverty reduction and development, bringing up knowledge, education and capacity building, creating partnership and mainstreaming, achieving tourism which should be responsible, sustainable and universally accessible. Activities of UNWTO. The UNWTO plays a vital role in development and promotion of tourism worldwide. It therefore undertakes a number of projects and activities for promoting and developing tourism, such as to conduct research related to the tourism market, industry, physical and financial planning and development, promotion and marketing, economic analysis and techniques, to disseminate the data, research and study findings on various fields of tourism to its members, to conduct studies about tourism trends, changes in the world economy, social conditions and their effects on tourism, to conduct studies about the fluctuations in the market and preparing and maintaining standards within tourism sector, to conduct courses and vocational training programs aiming at human resource development, especially in the developing countries, to prepare drafts of international agreements on tourism, to carry out systematic collection, analysis and dissemination of statistics on the data on various aspects of tourism, to function like a data source to discriminate available information related to international, regional and domestic tourism, including statistics, legislation, policies, facilities, to build a consortium of legislations, regulations and documents on all aspects of travel of various countries, to work with different governments and competent specialized bodies in simplification of formalities for international travel, and to remove barriers for the free movement between countries, to organize international conferences, conventions, seminars, workshops, symposiums and meetings on contemporary aspects of tourism. Structure. The UNWTO works through its various subsidiaries having well defined responsibilities fixed for such subsidiaries. General Assembly. It is a composition of full members and associate members. It is a congregation of members to meet on a periodic basis of every 2 years to approve the amendments in policies, finalization budget, program for the entire period. Contemporary and relevant issues are debated and discussed in it. The affiliate members and representatives of other international organizations attend the General Assembly and observes and as observers. The General Assembly elects a General Secretary in every 4 years. Subsidiary organ of the General Assembly is the World Committee on Tourism Ethics. Executive Council, this works as governing board for the UNWTO. This council consists of full members elected by the General Assembly at a ratio of 1 member for every 5, representatives such as 1 of associate members and 1 of affiliate members represent the issues of their group. The council ensures that the organization carries out its works and adheres to its budget. Spain, as the host of UNWTO, has a permanent seat in the Executive Council. The council works in the consultation with the Secretary General and it works towards the implementation of the resolutions in the General Assembly. The council meets at least twice a year. There are some subsidiary organs created by Executive Council which meet on a regular basis to discuss the matters which fall within their jurisdiction and they report to the council of the same. The subsidiary organs are Technical Committee for Program and Coordination TCPC, Committee on Budget and Finance CBF, Facilitation Committee, Environment Committee, subcommittee for the review of applications for affiliate membership, subcommittee on the statistics and joint WTO IATA working party committees. There are some specialized committees of UNWTO members, and the task of these committees is to advise the Executive Council on management and policies. The specialized committees are the Program Committee, the Committee on Budget and Finance, the Committee on Statistics and the Tourism Satellite Account, the Committee on Market and Competitiveness, the Sustainable Development of Tourism Committee, the World Committee on Tourism Ethics, the Committee on Poverty and Production, and the Committee for the Review of Applications for Affiliate Members. Secretariat. The Secretariat of the organization is consisted of the Secretary General and the staff members. It is responsible for implementing the UNWTO's program of work, serving the needs of members. The responsibility of Secretary General is to carry out the general policy and work program of the organization as directed by the General Assembly and the Executive Council. The Secretary General's duty is to ensure the legal representation of the organization. The group is led by the Secretary General, who supervises about 110 full-time staff at UNWTO's Madrid headquarters. A full-time executive director supports and assists the affiliate members. The Secretariat has a regional support office for Asia Pacific in Osaka, Japan, which is financed by the Japanese government. Present structure of Secretariat, procedures, the structure of the Secretariat, members of UNWTO, affiliate members, public and private organizations working in the field of tourism can become affiliate members of UNWTO. These organizations contribute to UNWTO in promotion and development of responsible, sustainable and accessible tourism. The members of the board meet at least twice a year. The organizational structure of affiliate members include mainly two organs such as the plenary. In this, the affiliate members are represented and it consists of all the members with each having voice and vote. And the board of the affiliate members, it is an advisory organ to the UNWTO Secretary General. It is responsible for the alignment of its members to the overall goals, mission and general program. It also helps in the design and implementation of the policies of the affiliate members. Program. State members. There are 156 state members of UNWTO worldwide. It has 6 associate members and 2 observers. Regions of UNWTO, there are 6 regions of UNWTO, namely Africa, the Americas, East Asia, the Pacific, Europe and the Middle East. There are different regional programs for different regions which are held considering mission and objective of these regions. Regional. Program for Africa. The mission of regional program for Africa is to support and assist UNWTO African members. It also helps the stakeholders to develop the tourism industry in all spheres of sustainable development, be it economic or social development. It ensures the members get full benefit from the services provided by the organization. There are objectives of the program which are meant for the particular region. The objectives for Africa region are as follows: to ensure the implementation of the program within African region, to work as a link between the member states and the Secretariat through which all local, regional and national tourism needs and concerns are communicated, to make the African countries more competitive. It strengthens the institutional capacity in various domains such as HRD, ICT, marketing and promotion, statistics and sustainable development of tourism, to contribute to poverty reduction through the UNWTO STEP, Sustainable Tourism Eliminating Poverty, initiative to strengthen the presence of UNWTO in the region by increasing full and affiliating membership in the continent. States/members in the African region: Algeria, Angola, Benin, Botswana, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cameroon, Cape Verde, Central African Republic, Chad, Congo, Cote d'Ivoire, Democratic Republic of Congo, Djibouti, Egypt, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Gabon, Gambia, Ghana, Guyana, Guinea-Bissau, Kenya, Lesotho, Libya, Mali, Mauritius, Madagascar, Morocco, Mozambique, Namibia, Niger, Nigeria, Rwanda, Sao Tome and Principe, Senegal, Seychelles, Sierra Leone, South Africa, Sudan, Switzerland, Togo, Tunisia, Uganda, United Republic of Tanzania, Zambia, Zimbabwe. Regional Program for the Americas. The mission of the Program for the Americas of UNWTO is to ensure that its members get full benefits from the transfer of technology generated by the activities done in the region and to enhance the quality and efficiency of development. It focuses on the needs of the local authorities and enterprises and National Tourism Administration in the region. Topics and courses related to the tourism industry are also discussed in seminars and conferences. There are two main objectives of regional program for America, and the first one is technical cooperation program, which helps the governments in the formulation of tourism policies and strategies, development of new product marketing, and HRD. Based on the policy of sustainability, the program concentrates on master planning at all levels, such as founding tourism institutes, preparing marketing programs, building national capacity for project management, strengthening the role of Parliament in forming tourism policies and the economic measurement of the tourism. The development of tourism satellite account TSA helps in managing all such planning. The second one is the sectoral support mission, which is for the shorter duration and works on the specific request of member countries in identifying, evaluating and describing specific technical assistance needs and provide policy advice in formation of project proposals. Funds for such mission are released by United Nations Development Program UNDP or some other bilateral or multilateral financing agencies. State members of Americas: Bahamas, Barbados, Bolivia, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Cuba, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, Salvador, Guatemala, Haiti, Honduras, Jamaica, Mexico, Nicaragua, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, Trinidad and Tobago, Uruguay, Venezuela. Associate members of Americas: Puerto Rico. Regional program for Asia and the Pacific. The program is restricted to the geographic region of Asia and the Pacific. The regional program for Asia and the Pacific is the operational arm of World Tourism Organization. Its task is to implement general program of work of UNWTO within the region. It is a direct link of UNWTO through which member states are communicated to the Secretariat on the local, regional and national needs and concerns for tourism development. It has got some objectives to perform within the region, to bring up partnership between private sector, government agencies and educational institutions by organizing seminars, conferences and workshops on contemporary tourism issues, to support and assist member states for promotion, management and development of the tourism industries, so that Asia and the Pacific region could maintain its endeavor in growth of tourism, to increase full and affiliate membership of countries and private sectors in the region, to promote the UNWTO step to sustainable tourism, eliminating poverty, in initiatives and make endeavors towards the UN Millennium Development Goals for the benefit of countries within Asia and the Pacific region, to supply with information and news and activities of UNWTO in the region and to its members, to make different plans such as tailor-made contingency plan, crisis management plan, in order to establish tourism-oriented warning system, network which could be tapped by member states when needed, to establish networks of academicians, industry representatives and government officials in the region for the production of periodical Asia Pacific market trends report. State members of the Asia and the Pacific, Afghanistan, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Brunei Darussalam, China, Cambodia, Democratic People's Republic of Korea, Fiji, India, Indonesia, Japan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Lao People's Republic, Malaysia, Maldives, Mongolia, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Papua New Guinea, Philippines, Republic of Korea, Samoa, Sri Lanka, Tajikistan, Thailand, Timor-Leste, Turkmenistan, United Arab Emirates, Uzbekistan, Vanuatu, Vietnam, Yemen. Associate members of Asia and the Pacific, Macau, China, Hong Kong, China. Regional program for Europe. The mission of the regional program for Europe is to achieve greater standards of performance in tourism government and policy by framing sufficient contents in the UNWTO programs of work and publications. There are two important objectives: to increase the participation of member states of UNWTO European region, maximize the benefits too within the region, to work towards the synergy between the UNWTO and external institutions and businesses by making policies and strategies for governance. Activities of European region include the development of strategies in the context of turbulent markets to help member states use instruments which addresses the issue of quality and CRM. The preparation and implementation of the program relating to value addition such as novelty and innovation in the area of technology, HRD, capacity building, etc. State members of Europe, Albania, Andorra, Austria, Belarus, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Croatia, France, Georgia, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Italy, Lithuania, Malta, Monaco, Montenegro, Netherlands, Poland, Portugal, Republic of Moldova, Romania, Russian Federation, San Marino, Serbia, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Switzerland, the former Yugoslavia of Macedonia, Ukraine. Associate members of Europe, Madeira, Flanders, Aruba. Observers pursuant to General Assembly Resolution, Holy See Regional Program for Middle East. The mission of Regional Program for Middle East is the regional representation for the Middle East, and the objectives are as follows: to work towards fulfillment of unique and specific needs of the tourism organizations and enterprises, to organize workshops, seminars, meetings and conferences on relevant issues concerning tourism industry, state members of Middle East, Bahrain, Islamic Republic of Iran, Iraq, Israel, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Syrian Arab Republic, Turkey. Observers pursuant to the General Assembly Resolution, Palestine. Summary: the United Nations World Tourism Organization plays a very key role in promoting tourism, mainly in the area of sustainable, accessible and responsible tourism. It is a specialized agency under the umbrella of the United Nations organization, was formed in the year 75. It has 156 members, 6 territories and around 500 affiliate members worldwide. The members represent countries or regions. It is the premier tourism organization at the global level forum for tourism working internationally, most especially for developing countries. It has a composition of General Assembly, Executive Council, Committee and Secretariat. These all perform tasks to ensure effective delivery system and monitor plan of action and implementation. The UNWTO divides the world into regions including Africa, the America, Asia, the Pacific, Europe and the Middle East. Each of these regions has evolved programs which have specific mission and objectives to pursue. Discussions and deliberations in such regional missions decide the implementation of new policies in the region for the benefit of tourism industry. It works with the different governments on matters relating to tourism policy issues on a global issues. It provides a practical source of tourism knowledge and statistics for planners, researchers and academics alike. As a leading international organization, it works for promoting tourism as a driver of economic growth. The UNWTO works through its various subsidiaries like General Assembly, Executive Council and specialized committees having well-defined responsibilities fixed for such subsidiaries. Responsibilities like ensuring the proper implementation of the program, strengthen the presence focusing on the needs of the local authorities and enterprises and various administrations. It also helps the governments in the formulation of tourism policies and strategies. Development of new product, it plays a significant role by organizing seminars, conferences and workshops on contemporary tourism issues. Dear students, this module highlighting on the role of UNWTO as an apex body in the promotion of tourism all over the world would certainly give you broad perspectives and outlook on the role of tourism worldwide. This module would give you thorough idea and learning experience how WTO makes rapid stride in the last 4 decades all over the world in the area of sustainable, responsible and accessible tourism. This module would enable you to find different other areas of the UNWTO, more importantly the creation of the sustainable tourism and elevation of poverty. With this, I must thank all of you